Good morning. It's March 15 of 2023. And here I am walking along the pathways in the farm. As you can see, those are banana trees, the bamboos. I think these bamboos are more than 15 years old. And those mahogany trees. See? This is a typical integrated farm where you can find almost all trees, such as mango trees, of course, duhat, different kind of mango fruits, Indian mango, golden queen mango, of course, atis, avocado, and so forth. There are also medicinal plants here. I will have a video on them later. But most of all, you will observe that these mahogany trees were almost planted years back by my parents. Eusebio, credits to them. Bebing, Espino, and Pasensia, Cruz, Cabullas, and Frena. These are the mango trees. How vast it is, of course. You can see the chirping. You can hear the chirping of the birds. Oh my. This is a good exercise. From a rest house to here. It's just a matter of 200 steps. As you go along the gate, you will observe how many mahogany trees planted here. But sad to say, these mahogany trees will be affected by the road widening. This will be cut off by the Department of Public Works and Highways, about 17 mahogany trees, including the red gate. The red gate, okay, as Ayman mentioned, for yourself. Here I am at the gate, which will be demolished soon by the Department of Public Works and Highways due to road widening. How sad. Here I am walking, reminiscing the time that this will be still intact. I would like to have a walkthrough to this trail that I used to do every morning. Of course, with my neighbor. There's so much people. We're so hardworking. I would like to video this place. See that? so that I have reminisced my trails here. Up to that, every morning this is my exercise. It's only a 15 minutes to 30 minutes exercise, back and forth. As you can see, this is the Kutaki Haven. That for sure will also be affected by the road widening, the BPWH. As I walk my trail, very nostalgic walking along this, which will be demolished soon. See? I don't know how long will it take me walking this area, which serves as my exercise. Yes, I walk as much as 2 times a week or every other day in this area. Oh, it's also be demolished. Sooner or later, this will also be demolished. Look at that. With those white bougainvilleas. People as I walk along this trail, exercising. It won't take too long. How many steps have I done? I have not reached yet the corner. Wow, really amazing. With all my sweat oozing due to this morning exercise. See? Oh my gosh. Oh. The dogs of Kuya Cesar and Ate Bean are barking. See for yourself. I have walked that far until I reach this place. This is how spacious I'm glad. My glad. Okay.